how to log into Wells Fargo Bank online. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Now, let's move on towards the video. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop. In the web address bar, you need to type in wellsfargo.com and then hit enter. Once you're on the home page, look on the left side of the screen where you will see the login box. To log in, you need to enter your username and password. After you entering your credentials, click on the sign on button and you will be successfully logged in to your Wells Fargo online banking account. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.